Caltech. These are the 24 traits that geniuses have in common. Look, he said, if you look at the lives of the greatest geniuses you discover, they all had 24 personality traits in common. These are traits that anyone can develop. It makes no difference how old you are. Good. All-inclusive. How much education you have. Again, all-inclusive. Or what you have accomplished to date. Adopting these personality characteristics enters the ability for you to operate on a genius level.
You're a deep thinker, my friend.
Yeah. Well, look at this. Drive. Geniuses have a strong desire to work hard and long. Do you work hard and long?
Very long.
They're willing to give all they got to a project. Have you given all you've got to
yeah.
your service as your fellow human
Definitely.
beings? Develop your drive by focusing on your future success and keep going. Don't introvert on your losses. This sentence right here is worth 2 books. Focus on your future success and keep going. The losers get trapped in their losses. Who loses the most? Losers or winners?
Losers.
That's the obvious answer. The answer is winners, because winners keep going. They learn from their losses. Losers stop at their losses. A loser loses 3 times, he's out. A winner loses 20, he's still in.
Wow, that's powerful right there.
Yeah, that's it.
That's game. That's good right there. I love it.